have told most people who don't know, this fight we are fighting is like a guerrilla warfare.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
The more you look,
the less you see.
The more you look,
the less you see.
I never told anybody one day I will bring camera and announce to you this is who will go. I said I will tell Rivers people the candidate they will support. Not so?
Not so.
I did not tell you the method of saying it. I did not tell you I will bring live coverage and say it. But Rivers people know, is it not correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you not aware?
We are aware.
Are you not aware?
We are aware.
So mumu people.
It's too much, oh.
We can't don't mind them. Don't mind them. Yes, sir, we can't don't mind them. Oh, don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't
So
mind them.
these mumu people, when they pass for politics, if they wait, make a carry live coverage. We are hereby going to Joseph. Far.
Follow.
But you are aware.
We are aware.
You are aware.
We are aware.
Are you not aware?
We are aware.
Are you not aware?
We know.
Are you not aware?
We know.
Are you not aware?
We know.
What other saying did they want? Have we not said it?
We have said it.
Have we not said it?
We have said it.
Don't mind mumu people.
Mumu.
They don't know they are left or right. Look at what is happening. And a man who has never passed an election is coming to say, name your candidate. Has he ever campaigned for anybody? He can't. So all what we are doing here, what is the problem? And that's what I want all of you to understand. What is the problem? All we say, which we have said every day, every time, is our constitution says you take this and let the people take that. That's what he said.
That's what he said.
Because I said, Yendeba. So that's what they said they will kill me. Will they allow them to kill me?
No way.
Will they allow them to kill me?
No way.
Can they kill me?
No way.
Do they have the power to kill me?
No.
Anybody plotting evil against us, against Rivers State, will never win.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who says he will deal with us, he will never win.
Yes, sir.
Anybody who is conspiring to deal with us, the person will never win.
No way.
God will not give him the mantle of leadership.
Yes, sir.
How many them there? We may go with them. How many them there? We may go with them.
So I will continue to stand for the truth and nothing but the truth. I will never be shaken by anybody.
No way.
I will never sell Rivers State for a pin.
No way.
I will never do it. Leave our people. When they finish, they will come back and we'll ask them how far.
Agaracha.
We'll ask them what?
How far.
You know, there's nothing that pains in life, but you have been identified as a betrayer. It's the worst thing that will happen to you. That badge, betrayer, will never leave you, will never leave your children.
No way.
So you have time now to repent. Wherever you are watching us now. We have given you small time. We can forgive you if you repent today.
Yes, sir.
Let that badge of betrayal go away from you.
Yes, sir.
You have no much time. When once we win you finish, we can never forgive you again.
No way.
So come back now, but you have small time. I'm aware you are in your parlor. I'm aware you are in your bedroom with your wife. Tell your wife, tell your children, let me take this opportunity and go back and repent and let that curse of a betrayer leave me and my children.
Yes, sir.
Please, this is opportunity. If you are their brother here, if you are their sisters, if you are their friends, take this opportunity, tell them, brother, uncle, I think we have given you an opportunity. Yes. Come back now or never. Come back now or
never.
Come back now or
never.
The people of Frustrates, I have full confidence in you I know what you are doing today is a mere ceremony.
Yes, sir.
It's a victory rally.
Yes,
But
sir.
we have to go back. But when you are dealing with armed robbers, you must be very, very
Vigilant.
In dealing with armed robbers, you don't close your two eyes. In fact, don't even close one eye. Your two eyes must be open because you are dealing with an armed robber. These guys, I know them. These people, I know them.
You know that.
And we will catch them.
Yes, sir.
We have already caught their leaders there.
Yes, sir.
We're waiting for them here.
Yes, sir.
We will catch them.
Yes, sir.
We will shame them. Not be so.
Yes, sir.
I will not going to show them.
We will show
I will
them.
not going to pepper them.
Pepper them.
I will not going to pepper them.
Pepper them.
You can pepper them
Yes, sir.
with your power, with your PVC. You have your PVC. You have your PVC. That is the only gun you have. That's the only machete you have. We'll use our PVC and pepper them.
Yes, we can pepper them.